Hi there, wildflowers. I'm Becca of the Boundless Bloom Life, and I'm here today at the beautiful Tower Hill Botanical Gardens, and I'm going to show you how you can make your lips appear more plump, more full, more moist with just a couple of tricks with the makeup that you have on hand. My original plan for this video was to go to the beautiful tulip farm for the very first time, but that plan fell through. But I'm excited to be here at Tower Hill because this garden has great meaning for me and great meaning for my business. And I mean, you can see by the background of just this tiny little portion of the garden that it is really beautiful here. And it's a treat for me to be here by myself, even if I am technically working. I gotta get started because it's gonna rain again. And if you're from Massachusetts or anywhere in New England, you're probably super duper sick of the rain. I'm gonna be working out of my clutch today. You've seen it before. Super beautiful purse with a spot for your cards and money, a couple of brushes, and then customize your makeup. I love this one because it's the biggest mirror out of all of the compacts. With your face, you guys know about highlight and contour. If you don't, then check out my other videos. Highlight and contour is not a concept that you can only use on your face. You can use it on your eyes, like adding a darker color, right? That's highlight and contouring as well. Or you can use it on your lips. Now, to highlight and contour the lips, to make them appear more plump without injecting them with things, because I want you to love the lips you were given, right? You take a darker color first, and you line your lips. I am using the shade Indigo. If you're my age or a little older, you may have remembered the beautiful 90s trend where people did this and they lined their lips with a darker color and just left it like that. Not a good look. Yeah, not a good look. Now I'm going to take the color Sandstone here and I'm going to apply that all over. Getting rid of this 90s chic look. Good thing that it's kind of rainy out today because there's nobody around. I got the garden all to myself. I'm going to take this color all the way out to the edge too. I don't want that dark line to be so dense around my lips. Now you take the brush and just really blend those together. Now you can leave it like that. You can see that they appear more full already, or you can take a lighter color, like I have Frenchie here, or you can take an Illuminator. I'll show you a little bit of both, because you can do both too. I'm going to take Frenchie, which is a nice peach shade, and I'm going to apply that to the center. I'm just going to highlight this area and make it appear more plump and full. If you like a more matte look, you can stop there and just leave it like that, or you can take a little bit of the rose gold Illuminator and apply it to the center. Now this will work with any product, just using a darker shade, liner, a little bit lighter shade, but complementary all over color. Then a little bit lighter shade, but again complementary. It's all about mixing for the center. And then a little bit of shimmer to really add that pop. Okay, now to add even more definition, you can take your concealer. I'm going to be using the Maskcara Beauty White Peach. You can use any concealer that you use. And I'm just going to take it and I'm going to line around the outside of my lips. This will make your lips more sharp, and naturally if you look at yourself in the mirror, you have a line around your lips that's lighter, so it'll make your lips appear more natural as well. that, I'll be able to blend this out with my finger. And when you're going right here, go a little bit lower than your lip, because you want that contour to come underneath just a little bit. It'll give the contour that's there, it'll give you that curled over appearance and make your kind of bottom lip feel like it poked out more. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked any of the products you saw, like the brush or this clutch full of customized makeup, I am a Maskcara beauty artist, and what that means is I can help you customize something that is perfect for you, colors that you will love. So if you have any questions about that, I'll drop my website down in the description. There is a free color match quiz that you can take. I'm here to consult you and walk you through all of the steps on how to simplify your makeup. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep blooming.